Hi Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Leo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also Leo, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Leo, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, Leo, so let's look at into your person energy here. And let's look at into the channel messages for you here, Leo. Okay, so on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy, Leo. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up here, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's start with your energy here first, Leo. I'm getting a little bit of confusion coming up for you here, especially with this Two of Swords, the Page of Wands and the Page of Swords energy comes in here. And then I've also got the Ten of Swords coming up here as well. Some of you here, Leo, is actually feeling as if you've been betrayed, as if you've been backstabbed before, I would say. There's a very strong betrayal and feeling betrayed in general is what I'm getting coming up here as your energy. Perhaps you are feeling betrayed because of the separation that is currently happening between both of you, and somehow because of the separation here, you may feel that your person has completely moved on and dating someone new, or just like being with someone else at this point of time. And this could also be another reason why you feel that, okay, like this is it, like I'm just done with all of this energy, I'm just going to like go ahead and move on and like try to find someone new here. So I'm getting like a very strong that confusion and indecisiveness energy is what I'm getting coming up here for you. And then with this confusion energy here, the Page of Swords and the Page of Wands here, part of you here, Leo, is actually struggling to communicate with your person. Part of you here, some of you, I would say here, having this struggle whether to communicate with your person, or some of you here actually have received some sort of like communication from your person, but you are struggling whether to reply to them, whether like whether you need to like text them back, or whether you need to call them back here. So you have this very strong confusion and indecisiveness energy within yourself. And then another group of you here, or another part of you here, Leo, with this Page of Wands energy, you are also want to close the cycle for good at this time, like just like say, okay, this is it, like I'm done, I'm done going this back and forth energy. I'm just like done going all of this, like the separation and then like coming back and then separation again, like a lot of on and off energy, a lot of back and forth energy here, and you just like feel like, okay, this is it, I just want to close the cycle for good. So this is where the struggle, this is where the indecisiveness and the confusion energy coming up for you here quite strongly. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Leo, I've got the Seven of Wands energy comes in here, as well as the Queen of Cups energy comes in here as well. The Seven of Wands energy here, I'm also getting that you are a little bit defensive about everything, which is again totally fine, totally normal, especially after all of this back and forth, especially after like after all this fight and unnecessary argument that might have been happening between you and your person. It's quite normal to feel that way. But with this Queen of Cups energy here, I feel like do not let that to make you feel that you are not good enough, or do not let that to make you feel like emotionally unstable within yourself, I would say here, Leo. So try to focus on your own emotional stability, I would say here. And before you take any decision, either to communicate with them, to text them back, or to call them back, or just to completely cut the communication, cut this connection for good here, and then moving forward into someone new, or moving forward into like a completely new relationship, or just wanting to be free for yourself here, focusing on your career, focusing on your finances, whatever is it that you are trying to decide here. Please do that while you are feeling emotionally stable, while actually feeling emotionally good. So do not take any rush decision at this point of time here, is what I'm getting, Leo. Now let's look at into your person energy here. Now this is not going to be for everyone. I feel like this is going to be a very specific group of people here, Leo. I feel like your person might have lost someone dearly to them here. At this point of time, I'm getting a feminine energy. But again, the gender does not matter. Could be like a masculine energy here as well. Someone that they were close with, someone like one of their family members, I would say here, either a mother figure for them, a father figure, grandmother figure, or grandfather figure. Could also be like a brother, sister, aunt, uncle, something like that. But I feel like they might have lost someone either recently, or I don't think that this is like someone, I don't think that this is something that far into the past. I feel like this is something that might have happened either a few months or even like a few years ago, I would say here. And this person here, someone that they were really close with, I feel like now this person is acting up as the spirit guides, as your person's spirit guides here, which who is actually trying to get both of you back together. And the reason why I'm saying this here, I've also got the star energy comes in here, which is a very strong healing energy, and the devil energy comes in here. I feel like the spirit guides or the past loved one in your personal life at this point of time here, Leo, is trying to make your person here to walk into a journey where it's going to be leading up to their own healing, to their own transformation here. I'm also getting a very strong karmic situation, third party situation, toxic situation, honestly here in general. And I feel like this karmic situation and toxic situation here is not only from the external, some of them here also having a very strong toxic energy from the internal here. For example, ego based energy, stubbornness, selfishness, and all of those stuff here. So I feel like this is what they are currently doing at this point of time here. They are healing themselves from all of this toxic energy, from all of this karmic situation that they've been stuck with for quite a while, I would say now here, Leo. Now, another thing that I've got coming up here is that the Seven of Wands. So both of you here also having this very strong defensive energy comes in here. And I feel like this is why the communication between both of you here might not be really going too good at this point of time here, because one of you here is getting defensive, another one of you here is also getting defensive. So it's like both of you are just like stuck with that defensiveness between both of you here. And this is why the communication between both of you might have not been really working too well here. And this is also another reason why I've got the communication blockage at this point of time here. Like, even though you try to make an attempt to communicate, or even though they are trying to make an attempt to communicate, it seems like both of you are just stuck in that middle ground here. Like both of you could not really let go of the ego, both of you could not really let go of the stubbornness and the defensiveness here. So this is also another thing that both of you need to be working on here. And like I said before, that they're healing from this karmic situation, they're healing from all of this toxic energy and the karmic energy, the karmic situation in their life here, Leo. Even though they're currently healing, does not mean that they actually chose their karmic over you here. This is definitely like a big no here, is what I'm getting coming up from them. So that's it for your reading here, Leo. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.